Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss question number 11 to 20 of chemical kinetics level 1 problems in physical chemistry for JEE by Narendra Awasthi book. In question number 11, rate constant K is 0.1 molar minute inverse. So the unit can be written as molar minute inverse or mole liter to the power minus 1 minute inverse. Okay, so basically this is a case of zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Now if initially 0.5 moles of A is present, after the reaction obviously 1 molar product will be formed, correct? So after some time when the reaction is complete, then finally we have 1 molar of product. So this is final, this is 0.5, this is not possible, and in this case this is 2 molar, this is also not possible. So finally here we have 0.1 and here we have 0.1. okay, now thing is that to complete the reaction we need 5 seconds, not 10 seconds, because only we have 0.5 molar of reagent and the rate constant is 0.1. So from this we can easily calculate that the completion time of the reaction is 5 seconds. Okay, and after that there will be no change in concentration of B. So after 5 seconds there is no change in concentration for B, and hence option C will be the correct option. Next, question number 12. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Thing is that for a second order reaction, it should not be a bimolecular elementary reaction always, because in any kind of reaction can be written as Na to product. If this is elementary reaction, then order of the reaction will become N. Okay, but it is not necessary that every reaction should be elementary in nature. So for any complex reaction, the overall rate equation can have an order of 2. Okay, so this statement is incorrect, because if any second order reaction is present, it should not be always elementary reaction. Okay, but for a bimolecular elementary reaction it should be a second order reaction. This is correct. For zero order reaction there must be a complex reaction. Why? Because if it is a elementary if it is an elementary reaction, the problem is we cannot write Na product, and if it is an elementary reaction, rate will be Ka to the power N. Okay, and N is the order. Now thing is that if it is a zero order reaction, the N will become 0, which is not possible. Okay, and obviously first order reaction may have complex and elementary both. Okay, so our option should be option A, which is incorrect in nature. Question number 13. It is given it is a complex reaction. Okay, so in complex reaction we have 2-3 steps, or number of steps should be more than 1, and for each and every step we have a different molecularity. So overall molecularity of a complex reaction, it is not it does not have any meaning. Okay, so has no meaning will be the correct option. In question number 14 we have NH4NO2, which will be dissociated to N2 and H2, which is a fast order reaction. Okay, so for any fast order reaction we can write concentration of reagent at time t equal to concentration of reagent at time 0 e to the power minus rate constant k and time t. Hence, if we draw the graph AT versus T, it will start from y-axis and it will be decreased exponential. So option D will be the correct option. In question number 15, decomposition of HI on gold surface is a zero order reaction. So for zero order reaction, we know that X equal to KT. Okay. So product concentration X should be like this, X equal to T, and it is a straight line passing through origin. Okay. Now thing is that initially few moles of H2 are present. So now it will become X equal to A0 plus KT, A0 plus KT, because A0 is the initial amount of H2 present in the situation. Now this reaction is X versus T, which will start with a positive intercept, then it will increase, and in case of X we can write partial pressure of hydrogen. Okay, so for question number 15, option B will be the correct option. For question number 16, minus dA by dt for option 1 is k a to the power 1. Okay, this is a plot of y equal to mx. So from this order, we can say order of the reaction is 1. For second graph, this is a case of AT equal to A0 minus KT graph, which indicates zero order reaction. Order of the reaction is 0. And if we see the general form of nth order reaction, that is KT equal to 1 by n minus 1 by AT to the power n minus 1 minus 1 by A0 to the power n minus 1, and if we put n equal to 2, then KT will become 1 by AT minus 1 by A0. So it is a case of second order reaction. So n value will be 2. So our answer will be, for graph 1 it will be a first order reaction, for graph 2 it is a zero order reaction, for graph 3 it is a second order reaction. So option D will be the correct option. For question number 17, if the decomposition reaction A to B follows the first order kinetics, okay, so we can write that dB by dt equal to K, rate constant K, AT to the power 1. Okay, so with respect to time, the concentration of A will decrease. Okay, with respect to time, the concentration of A will decrease. Hence, the formation of B rate also will decrease. Okay, so initially the formation rate will be maximum because AT will be maximum. But with respect to time, the concentration of A at time t will be decreased, as well as the rate of formation of B will be decreased. So we have to plot here the rate of formation R of B, and with respect to time it will decrease, which indicates option C will be the correct option. For question number 18, as we know, T half A0 to the power n minus 1. Okay, and for graph 1 it is a constant. Okay, so we can write that equal to K A0 to the power n minus 1. It is a constant that represents that a0 to the power 1 minus n equal to constant. Okay, so 1 minus n equal to 0, so n will become 1. Okay, so graph 1 will be a first order reaction. For graph 2, it is a straight line passing through origin. T half equal to k a0 to the power 1 minus n, and now 1 minus n will become 1, n will become 0. So second graph is zero order reaction. For third graph, T half 1 by k n minus 1 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 divided by a to the power n minus 1. If n value is 2, T half will become 1 by k 1 by a. Okay, now it is clear that the third graph is y equal to mx graph, and order of the reaction will be 2. So for graph 1, the order of the reaction is 1. For graph 2, the order of the reaction is 0. And for graph 3, the order of reaction is 2. Hence, for question number 18, option C will be the correct option. In question number 19, we have to plot a zero order reaction. So zero order reaction equal to x equal to kt. Now x can be written as a0, or it can be written like this. It can be written as a minus of a minus x equal to kt. Okay, where a is a constant. Now if we plot, this can be written like this also, a0 minus at equal to kt, or at equal to minus kt plus a0. Okay, now if we plot at versus t, it will be a negative slope, and this intercept will be a0. Okay, so negative slope with a non-zero intercept, option D will be the correct option. Question number 20, T half directly proportional to a0 to the power n minus 1, or T half equal to k divided by a0 to the power n minus 1. If we take log in the both side, log T half equal to log k minus log a0 to the power n minus 1, or log T half equal to log k plus 1 minus n log a0. Okay, so slope of the graph is 1 minus n, and from this we can say that the slope of the graph is 1. Okay, hence 1 minus n equal to 1, that represent n value will be 0. Okay, so it is a zero order reaction. Thank you for watching.